I'm very tired, and Sam is very tired with me. Oh my god, this tire is 1 year older than me. So yeah, this is a special moment. We are doing the outside first because the inside is a bit confusing, so I don't really want to deal with it now. I'm not awake yet, so as you can see, we have our brilliant HKS open pot, probably from China. This does not look ori. This looks like the mat you step when you go out of the toilet, you know. And we have this weird scoop thing. Where's the filter element? That big box, is it? Yeah. This looks complicated. This feels like a sea's boat. Distributor need to take out. Wait, we have to mark it first. I think take out the cap will give you some space already lah. Wonderful display of Brunei engineering here. They cut and welded an original Fujitsubo muffler for this car and
made it into a one piece.
It is really one piece cat bag.
You can see all the points where they welded it. Here.
So because our Bruneian Fujitsubo special was entirely welded together, obviously it needed special custom hangers as well on the car, which means that they deleted the factory hanger. So as you can see here, my hanger is missing. So we are about halfway through the install and we're having some issues because when we bought the car, a lot of the wiring has been messed up over the last 30 years of its life. It's a bit of a mess trying to figure out where every harness goes because not all the connectors are there. Well, it's part and parcel of how old car restoration goes. But it's okay, no pain, no gain. So we just got back from the paint shop. A few other items that we didn't have last night. One of them is the original spare tire. And what's cool about the original spare tire is that it still has old tires from, so this is a 1995 tire. This tire is 28 years old. Oh my god, this tire is 1 year older than me. So you also didn't see last night, but this is our carpet. So this is the brown carpet that will be going in the car. It's not perfect because this is a used carpet, it's not brand new. But the good thing is that in the 86, it's not really molded and the floor mats will cover it, so it's okay. We'll go to the front. So as you can see, the mountain hasn't gotten much smaller since last night because we've only been able to put a few things back, but I'll talk a bit about the engine bay. So a few complications. We got the original airbox in with the brand new filter. We are missing a bracket for the original airbox that goes, this is an intake pipe that feeds, that sucks air in from this side of the engine. And so we're missing a bracket here, we will need to get it. The battery tray, we found out, we bought a brand new battery tray here, but we found out that the battery tray on this car has been f***ed with. And so nothing really lines up and they welded it in. So I'll have to get a metal shop to unweld all of that and then get this in. It's okay, so that's a job for Uncle Lai. He's gonna hate me for asking to do this. I'm very tired and Sam is very tired with me.
I hear you're having a good time.
Right, it's now day 2 of the interior install, and there is a bit of a complication. So we need to rush the AE86 out and get it ready for inspection in about 2 hours. We got an emergency last minute inspection appointment. So, yep, we have 2 hours. We gotta rush through everything, but let's get it done. We have a few things left to do, and we're gonna start with the seats. The seats need to go in, and I need to test fit and make sure that all the seat belts are working. We'll start with the rear bench. So when I do this right, the rear bench seats should just plop straight in. So the rear bench is in. The carpets here are held down by the rear seats actually. I'll just grab that. The floor carpets here are held in by a clip below the seats, and it just holds it down so the carpet will stay in place. So now we have the two, it's wet! we have the two rear seats thing, the backing, the back. I forgot to bring the brackets, but the seats will be friction fit today. I don't think they'll check. Oh my god, it looks sick. Yeah. These old cars with the lack of safety features and structural support actually has quite a big cabin space. I am very comfortable. If we do a road trip up to Phuoc, Nathan, you can sit in the back. You can sit in the back of the road trip. That's a heavy seat. It's no Recaro. Oh shit. Like this, it will pass, they won't check. So the inspection center, they will check for mainly exhaust things. Like they want to make sure that the exhaust is legal and mechanically sound. They don't really care if the car is safe or not. Oh my god, this is so nice. I never really got to drive it properly because firstly it's not registered, and this car was displayed at the Fujiwara Tofu shop in Singapore for a couple of months, and then it went straight into restoration. So yeah, this is a special moment.